Hey everybody, today at UPR Products we're going to talk about catch can and breather tank maintenance. So as you may know, UPR catch cans are really easy to maintain because you can actually open the cup to service them, to dump them out, but we're going to show you how to change the O-rings. These are the spare O-ring kits we advertise on our website. I'm going to show you how to do it. So the catch cans, when you open the cup to dump it out, you'll have a couple of O-rings. Some are going to have it here on the body at the top of the threads. Others will have an O-ring at the top of the can. So just got to see which one yours has. Depends on the model number of the catch can. Use a pick or a small screwdriver just to get the O-ring loose. And then just replace it with a new O-ring. And on the catch can side, you can remove the diffuser by unscrewing it and pop this O-ring off same way with a pick, and just install a new O-ring, and it's just got to go all the way down until it goes into the small groove. There we go. And again, on other models you may have an O-ring down inside. The O-ring kits come with enough to do this twice. For the breather tanks, very similar. There's an O-ring on the cup. So we can just remove this O-ring and pop a new one on. There's also an O-ring at the center baffle. So again, we have an O-ring here that you will just remove and replace. The breather filters are also fully washable with warm water and any dish soap you like. This is not a brand name dish soap, but we like the spray style dish soaps. Kind of spray the filter all around, wash off with warm water, let it dry. Same thing with the breather tanks or the catch cans. Just spray them out, clean them up, let them dry, put them back together. So pretty simple. Again, O-rings, replace your O-rings as needed, wash out the cups as needed, clean the diffusers with any not a brand name dish soap. We like the spray type. That's your UPR tech tip for today. Hey everybody, today at UPR Products we're going to talk about the phone ringing.